Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to be unboxing the Mavic Mini. This retails for $500 and it is the combo pack. The regular pack costs $400, so it's $100 more for this one that I bought. We're going to go ahead and get into it right now. It comes with this travel pouch. It comes with a 256 gig SD card, a different thing that I don't know what it does, this protector guard, 3 batteries that are rechargeable, charging station, and that's pretty much it. You get 2 replacements, so basically if your product gets damaged you ship it to them, they fix it, or they basically send you a brand new one. I'm not sure how that works. I'm gonna have to get into that, but there's basically 2 of them, so if it does happen you're basically set. The rechargeable batteries last up to 30 minutes. They're about 2000 milliamps. And they're really good. It's a lightweight compact design. The drone weighs about 0.55 pounds, which is basically half a pound, and it's just extremely lightweight with good quality, good build quality. The camera is at 4K, which means you'll be getting those amazing cinematic shots and really good overall video. I really like the controller as well. It's really good. It's high quality. It's very comfortable. The analog sticks feel really good. I didn't know at first that you have to screw on the actual analog sticks, but once I did figure out that, then I was just putting them on. But yeah, you just screw them on and then that's pretty much it. They have 2 antennas on the top, and then the bottom part you just put your phone and then you just download the app. It works via Bluetooth, and you're able to easily take pictures and videos, control the drone, and everything else you can do properly with the Mavic Mini. It's Bluetooth only to the controller, not the drone. So the phone gets connected to the controller via Bluetooth, and then the controller outputs that signal and amplifies it using the antennas. So it's not Bluetooth fully, basically. I'm gonna make a video on the flying and video testing mode in the future, but for now I'm gonna be testing it out and just playing around with the settings and everything like that on the app, and just overall just making sure I can get the best cinematic shots possible before making a better video and my official review, which will be in a few weeks to a month. So if you guys want to see that video, stay tuned. Make sure you like this video so I know you liked it and you made it this far. Please subscribe and you turn on post notifications so you'll be able to get notified when I make that video. And I'll have more videos just out in a few days. I have a few video ideas I want to do, such as like top 5 Bluetooth wireless earbuds. I'm going to be making an AirPods Pro versus AirPods video if you want to see that one, because I am going to be buying AirPod Pros. I know I'm going to be investing $250 into that, which it's going to hurt, but we're going to just do it just because. I'm also going to be doing the Google Pixel Buds 2, the wireless ones. I'm going to be getting those in a few weeks as well. So a lot of videos coming out very soon. Hopefully you guys do subscribe and you'll be able to see most of those. Basically, this is my first time ever using a drone of this nature, basically, and I'm going into the field of drones. I'm usually in the tech field of mobile devices, speakers, audio, and RGB and everything like that. But now I'm going into this new era and it's pretty good. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, of course, and subscribe for more. Thank you.